Alright guys, how we doing? Welcome back. Chef Carlton is here. You guys haven't seen me in a while because I was getting ready for the birth of my daughter. She is here now. Health, everybody is good. Family is good. Everybody is great. So yeah, I'm back. Content's coming, more videos, more recipes coming. Today I'm going to do a carrot cake for you guys. So just stick around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and watch this one. All right guys, welcome back. Today I'm making a carrot cake for you guys. So I got some carrot. I'm going to peel these. Everything is just not everything is weighed out properly yet. I'm going to beat these. I'm going to cut these, peel them, and then this is everything I'm going to be working with. So off camera, I'm going to go ahead, take care of that, and I'll come back and we'll start putting our cake together. All right, welcome back. So we got our eggs beat, our carrots are cut, and everything is portioned to the correct portion. Now we're going to go ahead and make our carrot cake. All right, so we're going to go ahead now and combine the carrots to our blender. All right, so carrots, we're going to add our vanilla, and we're going to add our oil. All right, and that's all we're going to add. We're just going to get a rough chop and grate. Guys, we're almost there. All right, that's what you're looking for. All right, this is what you're looking for, guys. All right, now let's go ahead and make our carrot cake. I always recommend before baking you grease your pan. I'm just going to grease this pan real quick with some unflavored, unsalted butter. Just that way it just won't stick to it. That way when it's ready, your cake come right out. All right, that should be good. Let's go ahead and add our mixture. Make sure we get everything, all right? You didn't do all the hard work to let anything waste. So make sure you get all your mixture out of your pan. All right, guys. I'm making a mess here. And you know me, the clean as you go. So let's make sure we're cleaning up. Now we're going to just sit this in the oven at 350. Let me show you this real quick. So my oven is at 350. All right, see you guys in 30 minutes. All right guys, here we are. So this is hot straight from the oven. I wouldn't recommend cutting this yet. So let's test to make sure that we're done. Use the fork test. Put your fork in. It came out almost perfectly clean. That's ready. So we're just gonna let that cool before we cut it. All right. All right guys, so we're gonna transfer our cake onto a plate. Just gonna go ahead and cover. Give it a quick flip. And voila. There you go, guys. And still not cool yet, so we're gonna let it sit there and cool a little bit. But that's it, guys. Perfectly cooked carrot cake.